That'd be pretty good, right?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So Danny and I have reconnected, and that's not all. We're gonna meet up with Dr. Anthony J. We're going down to the cabin this weekend. We'll be there from today, which is Thursday, until Sunday. So 4 days in the wilderness.
Man, I cannot wait. Another life-changing weekend at the farm.
Yeah, last time he was down there, he shot his first deer. That was pretty epic. If you haven't seen that video, you gotta watch that video because he was like super emotional about it. It's a pretty cool deal.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna go down there. We're not gonna have any cell service, so I'm gonna be MIA, excuse me, on the YouTube videos. But the YouTube video that comes after this is gonna be great because I'm gonna film everything we do down there. I bought about a lot of explosives, so we got plenty of explosives, plenty of firepower. I went to the academy to buy that, and I had tannerite. I had like 500 rounds of ammunition, and I had 2 boxes of energy drinks. And the guy checking me out was like, energy drinks, gunpowder, and bullets. I like it. Sounds like a good weekend. So it should be pretty good. We're gonna go fishing. We're gonna blow some things up, shoot some guns, and just disconnect from the world for a few days.
And we have unfinished business with the hogs.
Yeah, we're gonna try and take out some pigs down there, some wild pigs. So I'm gonna shoot with my bow, man. I'm gonna bring my bow with me.
Dude, that'd be awesome.
So we're going in deep, yo. We're going in deep. So it's gonna be like Mission Impossible here, but it's gonna be good. So forgive the MIA because we're not gonna have any service probably for posting Instagram or YouTube. But like I said, it's gonna be worth it because the content that's gonna come your way after we get back is gonna be epic. So, Danny, let's do it, man.
Ready, bro. I'm ready.
See y'all later.